Well, that changed quickly, doesn't it always? So that's Mars right there. I mean, I would assume. Because these days, I'm not going to ever say ever again that this is that or that is this. That should be Jupiter according to its positioning. That should be flying, which it is. Hello there. And so that should be Venus. Should be. Which means Saturn should be over here too. Which, that was weird. I mean, could I have, like, said that anymore? Could that have popped up at any other, like, Saturn should be right there. I was curious if it was going to happen again. So I just found out there's a bunch of dead vultures and dead crows in the Gulf of America, Mexico. What do you know about that? I hear a whole crew. Where are y'all going? I know you're going quick. You looping it? What is that about? I hear more. Oh, shrapnel. If they just stopped right there, does that mean they live in the tree? What is going on? This is kind of freaking me out a little bit if I hadn't just seen something about what are they doing? Why did it look like they were falling? I mean, I don't know, but dude, that does not help my feelings on are birds real in the first place. I'm assuming that's Mars and those two things are Gemini, which is why I don't know what I do, but I don't even want to go into it. Should be Jupiter. Why are there more birds coming? I mean, they're allowed to fly, I guess. Venus. This is a lot of flocks. Please keep flying, don't fall. They just got all blurry on me though. I zoomed in, zoomed out. I'd be trying to tell you this. Because my roommate is always telling me that it's me moving. I just zoomed in, okay? Well, I just zoomed in. So if you go outside right now, you can see Mars, I believe, rising in the east. Okay, it's now late enough for a star to pop out, I guess, because that's Aldebaran, which is the bull's eye, which has been right by Jupiter for I don't know how long. It seems like a good portion of last year and this year too. And there's Venus, which Saturn should be to the west of it. Which last time I said that, something popped into my thing just like that is right there. Paranoid American stickers will make you smile and snicker. Alright, it's Mormon Monday, so I gotta bounce. Is that to the west? Like, barely. But, yeah, we'll see in a little bit.